Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking a little break from my junk journal project that I've been working on, the childhood memory junk journals, because I am participating in a swap in a Facebook group, and the swap is for a fabric snippet. It's a pretty big snippet because it has to be at least 24 inches wide and 2.5 inches, long and 2.5 inches wide. I have never ever made this before, so I'm excited. I always say I'm excited. I'm always excited. It doesn't take a lot to excite me. And I thought I'll take you along with on the journey because I'm learning how to do these. And if you don't know what they are, there's I think a few YouTube videos, or you can just look it up on Google or Pinterest. Yeah, so I thought that was fun, and maybe you guys are interested in learning what they are and how you make those, because you can actually I think you can cut them up into snippets and then use them in your journals, or you can use the whole thing, but I think they're meant to be cut up. I'm not sure. Anyway, so I have like this, I don't know if it's muslin or something, just ivory colored fabric that I just tore a piece off, and this is more than 24 inches. I think my mat is exactly 24 inches. Yeah, it's like 26 or 27, let's see, 28, almost 28 inches. So maybe I'll cut off a little piece, we'll see. So and what I've seen, what people do is they use like little flowers like this, and all kinds of trims and lace and pieces and fabric. It doesn't have to be like this colors, like beige or whatever. You can use any colors, but it's actually in the Antique Papery Lifetime member group, and one of the rules is it should be antique papery style. Well, if you don't know the papers, then you don't know what they mean. So I actually asked for some videos or a picture so I know what I'm supposed to be doing, and now I get it. And I decided I think I want to go with like ivory or beige and then some pink or something. It's like shabby chic, I guess. I also have this, but it has like this nice trim or edge, so I'm gonna use this somehow. So I have this with a table runner, so I'm gonna cut out some of those. I have this left over. I have this thing. I have some trim. And I also have a whole bunch of lace and stuff that I showed you in one of my previous videos when I did a haul. But it's all beautiful. I can't wait to use this. That's actually one of the reasons why I bought it. Okay, so I just figured, hey, let's get started on this. And I also have this ribbon or trim from Walmart, which is really pretty. And we're not supposed to use paper on this, and we have to like sew it all down so it actually stays on there. So we shall see what I'll come up with. Alrighty, so let's see what I got. I also got these. These are really fun. And I think she said originally this can be between 2.5 to 5 inches wide. So I think if something hangs over, it's not gonna be the end of the world. Alright, and then we get some pink. And then in the end, and some white, we're gonna get a partner, and then we swap with them. Like I send it to my partner, and the partner sends it to me. Also got these little ones. All right, so let's see what we can make. Oh, maybe I can also use some of this. This is pretty. Oh my gosh. No, I don't know where to start because I have too much. Let's just start at the beginning. It doesn't have to be all the same. It can be like this part looks like this and this part looks like that. So I'll just do something. Okay, I think I'm gonna start, and I probably should use my sewing machine. I'm gonna put some of this over here. Now I buried my scissors. Okay. And I'm not gonna do the whole thing today. I just wanted to share this idea with you if you have never heard of it, because I've only heard of it, but I didn't really know what it was. So I thought, hey, why not? Because you can use this for your junk journals. They're all junk journaling ladies, I think most of them. So yay. And you can probably also hand sew it, like slow stitch. I usually just use my sewing machine, but we shall. Oh gosh, I have a collapsing pile here. Whew, good fast reflexes. Ever since I had my daughter, my reflexes got really fast because I always have to like catch her or catch stuff she's throwing. So this is pretty. And then I can do, there's tape on it. That was probably the end piece. Oh, it goes this way. This could be nice. Let's do 2 of this. And I will definitely show you guys when I'm done with this. I will show you the end result if you're interested. See if I can cut this right here. Okay, and I don't think I want this piece, so I might just trim around this circle thing. Okay. Oop. And I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna sew this on here, but I think this looks really cool. And then maybe I'll put like some flowers on here. Ooh, maybe I'll use one of those. No, I don't know. Where do you open these? I don't even know how I'm gonna sew these ones on. Do I sew them on the leaves? Oh, that's pretty. And then we have like a deadline, and we have to show 3 close-up photos, just like of a piece, so people can actually see what you're making. And then I think you get matched up with your partner. I'm not sure how that works. Look at all these X's here that I can use. I like this, but I gotta put something else. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I should have. No, that's fine. What else do we have? I also have a bag here. Ugh. Already had it open. No, I actually like it like this. Maybe I'll just start with this. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out, I'm gonna sew this on. And the good thing is I found this thread, and I think this should work really well. Or I'm gonna use this one. I think they will both blend in, which is really good. So maybe I'll use this one because I already have a bobbin. Okay, so let me see if I can sew this on, and then I'll be right back. All right. Oops. I'm back, and first of all, I do not recommend buying these flowers from Walmart. These are cute and everything, but they kept falling apart on me because they're like the blossom, the flower itself is like sewn with this really, or stitched onto the leaves with this teeny tiny piece of thread, and yeah, as soon as you like move them or just look at them, they fall apart. So I actually had to put a second one on here. So this is my first piece. So I've sewn this. You cannot really see where I sewn it, so that's really cool. So I sewed zigzag down here and then straight here, but under here, like under these flaps, and then I sewed these on the leaves, if you can see. So I thought it was pretty, and then I did some straight stitching up here. And then we're gonna move on to here and see what else we can put on there. Let's see, this is really lovely. Chibi chibi chip. Yeah, that's a bummer with these flowers, because I was gonna use a whole bunch, but no thank you. Not gonna happen. Maybe I can use one of those. Ooh. I also have these flowers. Yeah, I'm gonna use those. Those are pretty. What else do I have? This is too wide. I like ivory more than the wide. Too bad this is super wide. Oh, you know what? I can also use this because I already have green. So I'm gonna do green, pink. I should probably move my camera. Green, pink, and the ivory. Yay, this is lovely. It can like grow. Oh yeah, you know what? This can like grow all along this thing. That's gonna be nice. Like over and under. We shall see how we're gonna do this. Okay, that's probably gonna be closer to the end. Okay, what else do I have? That's a nice one, but I already have a shiny one here, so I don't want to continue with the shiny. This one is nice. Can you even see with all my stuff here? What else? I definitely want to use those X's. Oh, you know what? Oh, I just remembered. I found this also in the old attic. This is really old, but it's so cool. I like it, and I actually grabbed it just so I could use it on here. So I might actually cut a piece off and put it under this one. Has no smell. Yay! We like non-smelly things. I wish I could tear this, but I can't. Okay, where did I bury my scissors again? Oh, they're hiding. So this is true vintage. Oh gosh, you can, ugh, okay. That's what happens when you try to rip ribbon. Rip ribbon. I kind of like the fray though. Oh yeah, I can still fray it, okay. Neat. So I don't need this piece. I think that looks cool with the fray. Very nice. So I figured I'm gonna sew this on here, and then I'm gonna sew. Oh, where's the other side of this? Sew this on top with these flowers down here, and I can put like the green leaves or so up here. Yeah, and then I can see if I have like charms and things that I can sew on there. So okay, so I'm gonna do this, and it's like the last thing I'm gonna do for today because I'm hungry and I'm tired and I gotta go to bed. So let me do this real quick and I'll be back. All right, so this is what I just did. I put that pink ribbon onto my fabric strip, and I laid a piece of this one on top, and then I just did a zigzag stitch and then straight stitch around it, and then I cut this off my spool, and then I just try to sew on like sew it on there. Sometimes it worked that I would go along this, but sometimes it like was next to it, but it holds pretty well. And then I was gonna put this on there, but I didn't know how I would cut it out and sew it on there so it looks nice. So, and because I already have pink here and pink here, I decided I'm just gonna use one of those from this table runner, and I just sewed around here. And then as I move on, I'm gonna use more of these flowers, but this is what I got so far. And the fun part is because these are all different sections, so they're not all gonna be like the same, but it looks like this is grown out from under here, and then it just keeps going and keep going. So I don't know, first time I've ever done this, and this is the back. And I'm thinking I might put a little pink button that I hand sew on here, so we shall see. I will definitely share this when I'm done, and I can also show you what I get from my swap partner. I don't know who my partner will be, but this is fun so far. I've never done anything like it, and it's definitely a challenge to do all this with the sewing machine, because you have to figure out how to move stuff. Yeah, so let me know what you think, and if you've done those before. If you have any tips, I would appreciate it. If not, then just leave me a comment anyway. I love reading all your comments. So thank you so much for watching and spending time with me tonight, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!